So welcome students. So this question may you said that you have 2n plus 1 terms in an AP. You have to prove that the ratio of sum of odd terms to the sum of even terms is n plus 1 is to n. Sum of odd terms to the sum of even terms is n plus 1 is to n. So now, first thing you need to observe is you have 2n plus 1 terms in this question. So AP, you have an arithmetic progression with 2n plus 1 terms, that is odd number of terms. Odd number of terms. Because 2n plus 1 is a representation for odd number. You have odd number of terms. That is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, so on. You have odd number of terms. If you write 1, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, so on. This is 2nth term, this is 2n plus 1th term. Okay. So these are the odd terms, so on. So these are the odd terms, and these are the even terms. So in the question you are asked to prove that the sum of odd numbers is to the sum of even terms is n plus 1 is to n. Again, a basic formula based question. So let us assume the AP. Let the AP be A plus B, A plus 2B, ऐसे So this is, so instead of writing it like this, so last term को L मानता, L is the last term. So you know the formula for this. L is equal to A plus 2n times B हो जाए, because this is 2n plus 1th term. A plus 2n plus 1 minus 1 into 2nd. This will be L minus last term minus common difference. एक difference कम हो गया. Okay. So now, can you see that out of these 2n plus 1 terms, odd number terms, how many odd number terms are there? So how many odd numbered terms are there? And how many even numbered terms are there? So दोनों same होता है क्या? दोनों same नहीं होगा, क्योंकि you have odd number of terms. So odd number terms जो है वो starting में भी है, ending में भी है. So you have n plus 1 odd number terms and even number terms. समझ रहे? क्योंकि दोनों मिलके 2n plus 1 होना चाहिए. So if you have 5 terms, there are 3 odd number terms, there are 2 even number terms. See? So now, what is the sum of odd number terms? Sum of odd number terms is equal to number of terms n plus 1 by 2 into first term plus last term. लिख सकता हूँ. First term plus last term. So first term is A, last term is L. This is the sum of odd number terms. Similarly, what is the sum of even number terms? Even number terms का sum is number of terms. This time you have n terms by 2 into first term क्या होगा, कहाँ से start हो रहे हैं, A plus B से start हो रहे हैं, plus last term जो है L minus D से बंद हो रहा है. That is equal to dd cancel हो गया, is equal to n by 2 times A plus L. Sum of odd number terms is n plus 1 into A plus L, n by 2 into A plus L. So what is sum of odd terms by sum of even terms? Sum of odd number terms by sum of even number terms is n plus 1 by, बाकी सब कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, a plus l by 2, a plus l by 2 दोनों में कैंसिल होके, so you'll get this ratio, n plus 1 is to n. Hence proved. Thank you.